this video we move to the next part of working with text without LaTeX. So that is a part of this Manim's rendering text and formula. We will discuss and demo how to use the gradient to color your text. Gradient is our concept we normally use for our shape that you fill our color with the gradient, very smooth shifting by the different color in sequence order. Now we try to paint the color of your this text from one color smoothly convert to another color, and also you can make our middle gradient color. So let's do the two samples like what we did last video for color. We have a standard color and we have the T2C, and change this C as stands for color, and we change that to G. Then we have our gradient and also our T to G. So text to gradient, that means. So let me create our folder. So now it's already the number 8. Let's also create a number 9 first. And within number 8, I will create this one, just gradient dot py. So gradient example. And def construct, don't make your typo. Then we have the text. Let's also use T1 is the text with this parentheses. Hello, that is the content. Gradient equal to a parentheses. That is, you have our these colors. So the color must be, or this value of the gradient color must be iterable of any length, So which means you are not limited to 2 color, 3 color. You can have any color. So let's use this one, blue, green. Excuse me. Font size equal to, let's not give too big, and self add is the T1. So let's play on that. And come to see here. While it's making, let's continue. I will do not change first. So get our unexpected. So you can see I have a typo, gradient. Gradient. So now I got those one, but I don't get the color. Good. So red, blue, text, hello, font size. So let me move that to up. So let's make a change run from here. Launch. See real world example. So red is not defined. RED. So that is strange. So you can see it can be putting that. Let's copy this one. So text, copy to here. Its size not defined. Text. Still see not defined, not defined. Let me run that again. Let's look at here. It's okay. Gradient. Oh, now it's okay. So let me, yeah, that is the one. And let's paste what I have done different. Red, blue, green. GREEN font size equal to this one. So let me put that as T2. That is another one. Let's also add T2. So let me run that. I don't see any difference. So T2 is not defined. So here, that is my byte. Oh, you can see my first one is not able to do, but what are the difference? Font, move to, up, 30. I couldn't see the difference. So if I put this T2, this my T1, it's no difference. So here, it must be something wrong. So font size. This is also not defined. Let me put a hold. Oh, it's interesting is I didn't change anything, but when I change the size to 90, it start to have the gradient. So let me also change here. So it just means is if that is smaller, then it will not be able to show. But no, so here I can put that to 70. So now I back to 70. Let's have a look. Yeah, you can see 70 is not work. So I will do this to move to up. Is this due to this move? No. So if I put this up 2, so where is the hello world? I don't. Oh yeah. So that. But here, if I put that into 70, is not work. So if I put this to 70 again, wow, so that is very interesting. I cannot say this is the bug, but our interesting part, if I put this to 90, but it's running on this Docker container, that's no issue for that. But for my local compile is interesting. So anything that is more than 70 is I think is 71. If that is the boundary we just tested, then it's very interesting. Yeah, that exactly. So 70, I'm so lucky. So if I put this to 69, if I put this to 68, I suppose it's getting both to white again. No, so that means only 70 has the issue. So if I put that to 70, what's this special for 70 or 70? It's back to white, but this 70 in this Docker is working. So let me make a screenshot. I will raise a question. So that is a very interesting part. So now it's both on 70. Let me save on that. After this video, I will compose our question and send to the community. But for now, if I put this to other colors, then that's it's no problem. So let me just highlight another thing. If you keep making like it's yellow, then back to the red. So if I put this say hello world, ignore those 70 issue. This 90 must be okay. So you can see first red, blue, green, yellow, and back to red. So as long as mentioned, if you put that as iterable of any lines, you just paint this as our gradient. So that is the for this one, and let's go to the second one with this T2G. So let me create another part, and I will also try to play where the T2G also have that 70 magic number. So that let me put this T2G.py, simpler. So from Manim import everything. So we want to have the similar things, but we can use T2G. So class T2G example and def construct T2G is let's also call that T2G1 equal to text. So we can use a multiple line that you can use a double or single. That is your choice. Then we have this T2G equal to with our curly braces. With that is similarly we can have is hello. This we last T2C we use this one colon -1, then this ELL. And we can make this gradient to this one. So we have this red. Let's go to green. And that is done, and move to left. And we will have the self.add T2G1. So let's make this playing first. Oh, that is here. And T2G example. So after that, we add this T2G2. So Similarly, for those, you can monitor what is generated. Hello. So you can also put some bigger ones. So I think after this we can have the text size equal to 90. So that is font size. Sorry. And then I will copy this to another one. So T2G2. Then I will add T2G2. So that is the word. This exclamation. Then this we can see word is changed to all those, but we can also see here is just the WORL. So don't touch that D. So we want to see they will have blue, yellow, green. So 4 character, I will give 3 these 3 colors. Then this one, we use this next 2. This T2G1, and we started, so we next to right. So then those are the practice for our syntax of placing the location. Then let's see those, the word should be bigger. And WORL has these 3 colors for applied to these 4 characters. So W also that should be the D. So my bad is the word, and I have these 4 characters with the gradient in the 3 color. So you can see this one. And now let's play about the magic part. If I change this to 70, is this making no color? I don't know. If so, then that will be interesting. No, so that means is for this T2G, I don't have this 70 magic, but I will raise question to this one. So this one with the 70 looks like is gave us a very interesting part, even difference to the this Docker container parts. So with that is let's conclude on this gradient. Next video is we will move to this line spacing. So we decided is how you are not needed to use this up with how many the times of this unit, but you can control the line break spacing as are in the normal the word processing tools. So see you in the next one, and I will update you once I got any updates about that 70 magic number. So interesting. See you. Bye for now.